Dear teacher, my name is Zijing. English name is Jaden. Now let me introduce this topic marketing. Okay, the marketing of practical bags in China has negatively impacted the environment. This has posed a threat to the people and the ecosystem, as well as the minor population. The new regulations set out to control the use of plastic bags, and the disposal has shown that there is an adverse change on the user and how they tend to control them. Okay, this chart shows, according to a survey carried out by SAIS in the year 2019, it shows clearly that approximately 9.4% of the total China practical demand will be influenced by the new regulations set as it. Among them, supermarkets account for about 4.1%, express industry accounts for about 2.7%, and other industries account for the highest proportion. Okay, this page shows, according to a survey carried out by Backstory in the year 2019, there is an increase in the deliveries that have increased by 25%. From the specific display of this data, the usage of practical bags in the express delivery industry has been growing from 2015 to 2019, reaching 6,000 million in 2019. Okay, the research approach used to carry out this study was a questionnaire where the sample included people categorized in ages below 20 years and 20 to 25 years, 26 to 30 and over 30 years. A variety of questions were asked in the survey that related to the use of practical bags. The results showed that 90% admitted to using practical bags daily. Out of this, those aged over 30 years were the ones who frequently use the practical more than those aged 20 years and below. Women were more likely to use practical bags than men. The young people were more likely to dispose of practical bags not in a proper way. The study pointed out that all the respondents welcome to idea to alternative bags to practical bags. Okay, from the results of this survey, we can know that the use of practical bags is relatively large, which leads to a certain environmental pollution. The solution to curbing the use of practical bags is first to introduce an alternative to practical bags, such as the cotton tote bags, which are environment friendly and recyclable. Second, there is also a need to sensitive to people to be aware of the environmental effects of plastic bags and advocate for them to use smart garbage to control plastic pollution. Okay, in conclusion, the use of practical bags will cause environmental pollution. However, marketing alternative practical bags will green the environment and improve the quality of environmental hygiene.